This week on Untamed Heights, we take our dad out to celebrate his birthday and we go to the Discovery Center with our cousins. If you are enjoying our videos, please go subscribe and hit the thumbs up and the bell so you never miss an episode.
Where are we going?
Discovery Center. Hey, don't they have giant chests there now?
I think they do.
Yes, they do.
Yes, me and Taylor are gonna love that.
Like bigger than you? What hard is it? Scared.
They completely moved the fish tank.
Snakes are like fishes, but they're not.
There's nothing up here. You feel like you're missing out on stuff, huh? Right. It's like always the other picture is like, oh. Don't tap on any of the glass. Y'all don't touch it, you just look. What do you think?
It's an awesome snake.
They're really cool. You look at me like I'm crazy. When I shut my feelings out, you look at me like I'm different. Still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments. Doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors. They kinda tell me what I'm thinking.
Hey, these things are cool. These things have like straws down their back that puts water in their mouths. What are you doing, Linux?
Building.
Oh. Do you like building?
Fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes. We never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Luke, whenever you get back home and take this inside. Uncle Diesel.
Hey.
It's
Pretty tired up here.
a giant ant.
Go take it through, okay?
Okay, this is awesome.
Taylor's in there with
Awesome. Oh yeah, and this is the Luke cam, just if you were wondering. Awesome. Sorry if I'm a little bit shaky. I have to only use one hand because I have to crawl in here. Guess what? I'm gonna go very top. Right here I can kind of stand. Not completely. I love it. Go all the way up here, and it's a giant ant crawly thingy. Hello! I'm done like this, watch.
There's something different about us. There's something different about us. about the real life, real life. Yeah, we're loving the way they think we're so messed up. Even if what we're doing is bad, there's so many emotions. Sharing stories that we never had, yeah, none is real. I think we're searching for reasons not to be like them. We fly around like paper planes, we never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Are you getting me and I'm getting you? Are we getting each other? Yeah? Can you get Luke? Luke's behind you.
Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's
What are they doing? Hi, honey.
There's something different about us. There's something different about us.
You can also tell how big of a reindeer it was. So when they're real tight, it's not growing very much, but when they get wider, they get
Like
a lot
that?
of fits. Yeah, like that
And
was
then, did you know the dark is the winter and the light is the summer?
didn't know that. Like that's a big reindeer, you know?
Look, this is its first year. And second, third, fourth. It grows a lot more in the first couple of years. Look at that.
Hello, Joel. Nice to meet you.
There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us. There's something different about the way we are. There's something different about us.
Sit in Shay's lap and help him.
Hello, Monkey.
Take this thing. Take this thing.
Ha ha ha! I did it. I know how to do a flip on these things.
Wait, I have a phone.
Go put it in Daddy's pocket.
Where's Daddy? Did you just jump from one to the next?
Yeah.
Having fun? Do y'all want to go to the next room?
wanna grow another day, run around and always play. You're Jack Sparrow and I'm a dinosaur. Don't wanna grow another day.
Don't need help? Don't go help him.
Now I miss you and I want you to be there again. Don't wanna grow another day. We can say forever young, fall in love with the rest unsung.
That's perfect, Uncle Shane. Okay, hold on good.
And we can stay forever young.
Take me to the bathroom.
What are you gonna do in the bathroom?
Now I miss you and I want you to be there again, and we can stay forever young.
Oh my gosh. Woo! Boom, baby.
Push it a little back.
I got it. Two. 3 balls. Got it all the way. Your pockets.
Is it yummy?
And show me your head. What are we gonna do?
Let's recreate this picture.
Look how different y'all look already. Look at me. Are they smiling?
Taylor, you're kind of looking this way though. Look up. This way. No, look this way.
They're holding this on.
Kind of weird.
Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week for more adventures, and don't forget to stay limitless.